Hi guys, welcome to Cotton Box. Latest information is that Realme is gonna launch Realme 10 series in the first half of November. Already we saw that Redmi is also planning to launch its Redmi Note 12 series. So there is gonna be a tough competition between both of them based on the price they're gonna fix. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please watch all our videos and subscribe to Cotton Box and press the bell icon for instant notifications. The latest information on the news is that two devices are gonna launch, which will be Realme 10 and Realme 10 Pro Plus in the global market. The features of the Realme 10 Pro Plus can come up with a MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage and 12GB RAM and 256GB storage options. Regarding the display, it will be an AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and battery will be 5000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging support. But in Redmi, it is expected to have three variants in battery: 67 watts, 120 watts, and 210 watts fast charging support. Check the link in the description to view the latest information what we have discussed about the Redmi Note 12 series. From the camera perspective, it is rumored to have a 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS support. This could be the IMX766 sensor which come up with the current Realme 9 Pro Plus model. The device will have 5G connectivity and comes in three colors: hyperspace, dark matter, and nebula blue colors. And coming to the Realme 10 120Hz LCD display, MediaTek Helio G99 processor, 64 megapixel triple rear cameras, and 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support. Regarding the storage, it can have two configurations: 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. It's a treat for the Redmi and Realme fans who wants to buy a new smartphone. Check out in our Cotton Box channel for full details about the smartphone once it's launched. We'll definitely review that. Please leave a comment on your expectation about the Redmi Note 12 and the Realme 10 series. Alright, see you guys in yet another video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Cotton Box channel. Thank you.